Yes. Wanakkam, namaste. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, brother.
Thank you.
So here we are yet again. Post-workout.
Post-workout, just come
is
for a
always,
chat.
always good, huh?
Today I'm so tired. Oh my god. Today also I didn't eat anything. Continued 3 days. He not allowed to eat anything. He not allowed. Today I just eat something dates.
We are going on a fasting mode for like a week now. So
Yeah.
where we are just on salads and juices, that's it. Yeah. So it's like a big challenge to ourselves, our body. And yeah, it's a challenging
It's challenging,
days
right?
ahead now. Okay. Yeah. That's how it is.
Yes. So guys, okay. Today we just want to talk to you something important things. Is me. You know, everyone have that problem for that, for the depression. The depression in this situation is going for depression. This is hot water, right?
Yes. Thank you, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Huh?
This is your hot water. Guys, to boost up your metabolism, hot water is the key. So try it once you are awake in the morning. जैसे आप सुबह में उठते हो, try a glass of hot water.
Whenever
After your
you are
workout as
going
well.
to eat any food, before the food, drink some hot water, and afterward.
Exactly.
Hot water or black
आपका
tea.
metabolism ऊपर shoot हो जाता है. It really helps the metabolism to go up. So it always helps.
Yeah, so
And
normally
it helps in
people-
fat burning as well. Right?
Yeah, normally the people have the depression or anything. Normally they go to the some different way. So some people go to the drinking habit, some people go to their thinking habit, some people go to that fighting and depression. They don't know anything. So it's the main thing. What the depression is, whenever you go to depression, you should do for the exercises. Second thing,
Correct.
drink something good food,
Healthy
and-
drink.
and healthy drink. And whenever you have the depression, if you drink the green tea,
Depression goes
immediately depression will down.
Green tea really helps. Huh?
Yeah, it really helps for the depression. Whenever you have the depression or something tension, take small green tea and do some exercises and walk the road. Walk in the road.
On the road you have to walk.
The road, minimum 2-3 kilometers or 5 kilometers. It's good for you. It's more good if you're doing exercises, something, punch or something. At the same time, testosterone also is going up. For example, if you cycling and jogging, it's also good. But if you want to increase your testosterone, do some weight exercises like this. This thing
Like
boosts your
squats.
testosterone.
Squats is there, then deadlifts, then
And chest
shoulder
workout.
presses. This will really boost your testosterone levels. That's
when
what it's
your
saying.
testosterone is increased, you have that more power of testosterone.
Your strength level goes up.
Your mature look is very high. The example, if you are in 20 years of older, you look like 25, 30 years like that. The mature will come. So that means testosterone. The testosterone should be, every man should be needed. Same time, when you have the most testosterone, the depression easily not affected.
Correct, absolutely. That is the
Do you
most important
understand?
thing you mentioned. I
Yes.
would like to add one more thing here.
Yeah, whenever you have the testosterone, it's a
Yeah.
good
Everything,
testosterone.
it is
You
good,
have
good,
the
good.
depression is not affected to you because of
But-
you
but-
have the powerful of the testosterone, then you can recover quickly. So you can come
Talk
out with
something about the food as well.
Yes.
Which food is necessary.
Yeah, is there
So,
food
we will tell
is,
you about
is-
the food as
yes,
well.
the food is testosterone. You can drink for that normally easy way. Carrot juice, beetroot juice, watermelon juice, and
Yes.
pomegranate juice,
Pomegranate,
and
yes.
green salad. And green
Green salad is
coming.
very
And-
important.
yes, at the same time, mutton curry.
Mutton curry.
Mutton curry
also
is
good.
boost your energy
Yes,
and
yes,
boost
yes.
your testosterone.
Also add in the
Yeah.
eggs as well. Eggs.
Eggs.
With the yolks.
Yeah.
With the yolks.
Eggs and white eggs is really good.
Yeah.
At the same time, you can dance well whenever they put in the song in your headphones or earphone. Whatever the songs you like, you dance well. Whenever you laugh, whenever you're happy, your testosterone going up. And then the main thing, testosterone, you walk every day morning or evening under the sun.
Vitamin D addition as
Pure
well.
vitamin D. Vitamin D is the best for testosterone.
It is.
Best for testosterone. So whenever you are walking in the vitamin under the sun, no, is easily testosterone is very easily not affected.
This is really good, yeah.
Depression and your mind power is going to go. Whenever your mind power is good, depression not come.
Exactly. Now this is for a man. This is for the man's point of view. All right. What about the woman point of view? Women need as well.
Woman
you know,
also same thing.
because the one thing here, the woman thing is like estrogen. You know, estrogen levels are very high in women, right?
Yes.
And the testosterone levels are very low.
Yeah.
So the woman really needs to work out every day and focus on her diet.
Same thing.
Diet is very important when it comes to a woman's health. So all the women out there, I recommend them, lots of fruits and veggies and
if you
lot of stuff like that.
Boys didn't do the proper things, your testosterone going down, the woman testosterone going up.
Exactly, it's in boys as well.
Then
If
the
you
boy is not good for
don't
that.
do the exercise, the workouts, your testosterone levels will drop down,
Drop down.
And because it's a natural thing. If you don't do that,
Play well and you active well and running and maximum thing you do. So if you know that your stomach and everything is down, no, and lean and everything, the testosterone is very high. So be careful your health and don't
Also-
think about your
also the
business.
zinc, the
think
zinc,
about your business
you know.
too, but don't think first priority for your health. Think about the health.
health is important. Also, you should load on the vitamins and minerals. It is very important, essential vitamins.
It's a very crime business is going on. Everyone say drink for the vitamin C, drink for the vitamin C tablet. Don't drink for vitamin.
Go organic, yeah, guys.
Go organic. Lemon
Eat
is
all the
there,
fruits
orange
and
juice is
vegetables
there,
in your
lemon
diet.
juice is there, orange juice is there. Drink it.
There's
Lemon
so
juice.
many organic stuff available in the market. Don't fall for all this crap, guys.
Orange juice is
Always.
there, lemon juice is there.
These guys here are just for the business point of view.
Don't
so you
eat
just
that.
don't get fooled by them.
Yeah.
अपने hard earned money के बारे में सोचो. And
And
you
the
know,
main thing, you eat with that egg, no? Egg
yolk.
with yellow.
Yolk.
Full egg.
Yolk is very
And
important,
yeah,
guys.
With full egg.
Full egg.
अगर
अगर
आप
आप
testosterone high.
एग यॉक को अंडे में से निकाल देते हो तो
Yeah.
अंडे की न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू जो है वो कम हो जाती है. Eggs nutrition value drops to remove the egg yolk.
Yeah.
So try to eat the egg, whole eggs, without removing the yolk. And it's all the myth. It's a myth that yolk खाने से मोटापा आता है, ये आता है, वो आता है. But the most essential vitamins and minerals are in the yolk. So don't throw the yolk. Eat yolk. वही वक्त पर वर्कआउट भी अच्छे से करो, अच्छे से सो भी, अपनी नींद भी पूरी करो. That's very important. और बस that's it. It's very simple, yeah. It's very
avoid
simple.
yummy food.
Yeah.
And avoid anything.
You should avoid, yes.
And another main thing for improve your testosterone, good sleep.
Sleep is very important.
Sleep
That's when your body
is
grows.
very
आपकी body grow
important for
होगी and you will enjoy.
whenever that you sleep well. So minimum you go to sleep 10 to 11 o'clock in the night. Morning you should wake up in the 5 o'clock. If you wake up in the 5 o'clock, you will see the result.
Guys,
You will see the result. If
when
you wake up
when the time is 10 p.m. in the night, सो जाओ, just sleep.
Yeah.
You understand? रात के वक्त में just avoid all the tubes, no TV, no music, no nothing. Just chill, relax, pray and just go to sleep.
yeah.
आपको जो भी टीवी करना है, म्यूजिक करना है, watch it in the morning or any time of the day, but not in the night. रात का वक्त सिर्फ और सिर्फ आराम करना है. That's when your body grows and recovers. That's very important. That's about it.
That's about it. And sleep is very important. Sleep, because of sleep, your testosterone and many things are improve your things.
Correct.
So you should have that. So if for example the sleep is there, so 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock some parts will go good, and 12 to 2 o'clock some is good, 2 to 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock something is good, the 4 to 5 o'clock is good, 5 o'clock you should wake up. So it means you go to sleep 10 o'clock. For example, if you didn't go to 10 o'clock sleep, if you go to sleep at 1 o'clock, it's not good for some parts of body.
No, because what really happens, people don't sleep early and they just compromise on the sleep. What really happens is that when you sleep, your body is under fat burning process.
Yeah, fat
If
burning
you
process.
delay that process, if you delay the sleep time, imagine what's happening to your body. आपकी बॉडी फैट बर्न नहीं करेगी, इनफैक्ट फैट और स्टोर करेगी.
Fat never gonna
So fat
burn.
is never going to go
Never
off.
gonna burn. Never gonna burn.
ये एक बात है where people go wrong. They
Yeah.
don't complete their sleep. That's why they put on more body fat. That's why they become
More
obese.
healthy things will
You understand?
improve. Yeah, you will be healthy.
So
yeah.
this is the thing, guys. So it's very simple. आपकी खुराक अच्छी रखो, अपना टाइम टेबल सही बनाओ, sleep on time, get up on time, load on your vitamins, minerals, which comes from fruits and veggies. Choose your fruit right, choose your vegetables right. अपनी खुराक को अच्छा करो. Before, one more thing I would like to add here. Before hitting the gym, before any kind of workouts, make sure your diet is
Yeah.
on the chart. आपकी अगर डाइट सही होगी, उसके बाद नंबर 2 आती है ट्रेनिंग. दैट इज़ योर जिम, दैट इज़ योर वर्कआउट. हम क्या करते हैं, हम वी डोंट फोकस ऑन डाइट, वी डायरेक्टली गो टू जिम. अबे भाई मुझे मोटापा कम करना है, आई वांट टू लूज वेट, आई वांट टू डू दिस. हाउ? इफ योर डाइट इज ओनली नॉट इन चार्ट, इट्स नॉट इन ट्रैक, so how are you going to lose body fat?
Yeah.
You understand? That's the point.
Yeah.
ये बात है, you know. तो आप इस चीज़ पे फोकस करो कि सबसे पहले आप खुराक अच्छी खा रहे हो, you're eating right, balanced meal, घर का खाना खा रहे हो. उसके बाद you start working out, because that's when your body will absorb all those nutrition. अगर आप सिर्फ वर्कआउट करते हो कि only workout and you're not eating all the nutrition,
Yeah.
your body will automatically start consuming itself.
Yeah.
All the muscles, all the things will go. You understand? Because
Yeah.
body needs all the essential nutrition which you are not giving the body.
Yeah.
So, diet number 1. Second comes your training.
Training.
Third comes your rest and recovery, sleep. That's about it, guys.
And our food is coming now. I will show
So
you. our food.
that's the way to go about it.
Yes. And eat some onion. Onion also really good. Onion is really good. Onion is really good.
Very good. It's a testosterone booster as well.
Testosterone booster. Small onion is good for everything.
This is curd. This is nice.
Show me that.
Sure. Such a beautiful food. Alright, guys.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
This is the secret to good health.
I have got some. See? See this much. Now I see it. I laugh. I see it now.
Guys, Bismillah wala barakatullah. Come join us and enjoy this food with us. Cheers, guys. Alright, guys. We just finished off our post-workout meal. We're done for the day. It was nice, relaxing, and good amount of protein and good amount of complex carbs as well to fuel up our energies. So it's really good. Pre and post workout meals are very essential for your growth and recovery, guys. So always focus on this. And rest, as I said, rest is very much important. And that's it. Keep hitting the gym or keep hitting the home hard workouts at your place, wherever you find time. You can just work out anywhere, any place, okay? So keep up the good spirits.
And if you
Workout
like
करते रहो,
Yeah.
है ना? अच्छे से करते रहो, अच्छी खुराक खाते रहो और हमें फॉलो करते रहो. If you like us,
If you
and
please subscribe our channel.
that's it.
If you like our video,
If you like our videos,
you share it to your friends. If you feel this video is useful for you, you can share. And after that, you know what to do.
yes,
And I love you all.
Take care, guys.
Good night.
And
See you
please
tomorrow.
drop in your suggestions and comments, alright?
Yeah.
Take care.
See you tomorrow.